What happened?
I don't know.
Did you try getting out of the car while you were still buckled in?
No.
You just launched yourself out.
Bubbles decided she wanted to get out.
Oh.
Fucking restrained.
Oh, sweetheart. I'll help you get out.
Fight me.
No.
Fight me.
Okay.
Ah! Do I do it now? Ah!
Yep.
Mum? Go ahead.
Yep.
Ah!
Oh, shit. You right?
Fuck! Oh! Punch you. Sorry. Punch you.
Okay.
Punch you.
Get out of the car and close the door.
Alright, you go inside. I'll grab her, otherwise you'll drop her. Right.
No, I got it.
Let's go. Watch your phone.
Go. You can go.
You right?
Whee!
Chrissy, stop laughing, please.
Okay.
You ready? Oh, no. You ready? Oh, no. You ready to walk? Okay. All right.
I'll go in front of her case.
All right. You okay?
Is next door doing the bins?
No.
Oh.
You can't move her while she's doing this. You just got to wait. Yeah.
There she goes. She's spacing out. Oh, can you in the video?
Oh, yeah, Chrissy, stop videoing, please.